All right, today we have a very, 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 very special guest, and that is Dr. Hadiyah-Nicole Green. Dr. Green is an American medical physicist that developed a method using laser as a cancer treatment. I'm pretty sure we'll talk about that more later. She's one of 66 Black women to earn a PhD in physics in the US between 1973 and 2012. She is the second Black woman to earn a degree in physics from the University of Alabama at Birmingham. Dr. Green, what is it within you that makes you a high achiever?
Oh, well, before I answer that, Todd, let me say thank you so much for allowing me and inviting me to come on your platform to share the word about what we're doing. It's an honor to have this interview with you. Thank you so much. The HBCU grad platform is special. I enjoy your posts all the time. So I'm excited to be here today, and I wanted to say that. Um, I think I got that inner Madam C.J. Walker gene in my body. I just had this dream, and my dream was to develop a better way to treat cancer. And even before that, I guess I was a high achiever. I graduated undergrad with a 4.0 in physics. So it's just this inner desire to be excellent, to do my best. And initially, it was just because I enjoy learning. I enjoy the satisfaction that I did my best, just as a personal. Um, it's just I don't know. It's just and I was raised like that, I guess. Orally raised me from age 4, and she would say, "Don't do anything halfway," and give your best or don't do it at all. And so that has stayed with me all of these years. And so I go in. I think I'm competitive because I grew up with brothers,
Mhm.
but
Yeah.
I'm competitive in the sense where I'm not cutthroat, where I want the whole team to win, and I do believe in finding a win-win for everyone. However, I do have to acknowledge that I'm pretty competitive. I don't like to lose. My brother says I'm stubborn more than I'm competitive. So if I set my mind to something, I want to accomplish that goal, um, no matter what. And I'm a figure it out type of woman as opposed to quit a quitter. However, I will admit that there have been times when I've quit, and I've had to have my support system encourage me and love me back up and say, if you don't cure cancer and all these cancer patients keep dying every year because you quit, shame on you. And what if you don't get into heaven because you didn't do your purpose on the planet? so, so there have been times where I, it's been hard, but I think more than being the high achiever just for the sake of it, my faith and my belief that it's possible makes me get back up on time after I've given up, and I'll get back in there and say, you know what? And the other thing that inspires me is seeing people who are differently abled, who may not have all the function and activity of their limbs, and they get out there and they like compete in Olympic level competitions as an athlete. And I'm like, wow, if you could be an athlete in a wheelchair, I don't have any business complaining about whatever it is that I'm doing with all the activity of my limbs. So those little things keep me going to do my best when I see other people who um, push. Like I get a lot of inspiration from athletes and entertainers like Beyonce and Michael Jackson when they are in rehearsal for like hours and hours and hours, and they're on the basketball court with Michael Jordan, like practicing over and over. When I see them doing that, I'm like, okay, if they can do that for their profession, I can do that for cancer.